Okay, number 11, again, we went through paper and pencil work on it, and we were able to identify that B was equivalent to that. I also mentioned that the graphs for both this original trigonometric expression is identical to the rational function on all the values of x, all real numbers, all right? So this is expressed over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a graphing application and take a look at it. So I'm graphing both, make sure I'm doing graphing both y equals the original function, which is cosine of twice the arctan of x, and that rational that we said it's equal to. Let me just scroll to that. That rational is 1 minus x squared, 1 plus x squared. What do you notice about it? When I click back and forth between the two, it appears to be the same exact graph, right? You can't tell the difference between the two. Now, someone says, what happens if you zoom out? Right? This often happens when you zoom out. They leave an agreement. Let's zoom out a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just maybe zoom in like this over here. All right? What I want to do, though, is turn them off and on. Right? It's the same curve. All right? And you continue to zoom out. Let me continue to zoom out. Let me zoom back in again. And you know what? It's getting really kind of smushy around here, but I'm saying that it's still the same curve. Let me continue to zoom out. Wow. Is it ever going to disagree? Let's keep going. You notice this spike in the middle, by the way. It's really kind of hard to see it. It does go up and down pretty quickly when you're zoomed out this far. Let's zoom out a little bit more. And by the way, I'm really at, an enormous zoom out over here. I mean, you're looking at, 1 followed by 1 times 10 to the fourth. So, it's like 10,000. All right, I'm at 10,000 already. They're never going to disagree. Again, zooming back in. Let me zoom in. You know what I'll do? I'll do this again. Let me do it again. Let me do it again. Let me zoom out a little bit. I think you get the idea. Turning them off and on, you're not going to see a difference between those two curves. All right? It's true for all real numbers x. Thank you.